Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Prime token from Echelon Prime. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing today, March 1st. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, ticker symbol Prime. This token just got listed today on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search PRIME, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says Prime will be listed in the spot trading pair assessment zone, 11 o'clock, March 1st UTC time. And they have two Twitters linked on here, actually. They have one at Parallel TCG, and then they have another one at Echelon FND. And it says Echelon FND is a Web3 ecosystem advancing the next generation of gaming. So there's details about this token on Mexc Global's Twitter, which you could find at Mexc_global. And you would see the announcement page here. And click on details. That will take you over to where their website is, echelon.io. They have their block explorer on here, their Etherscan, Twitter, Discord, and then a full white paper as well, which is at docs.echelon.io. Pretty straightforward. So according to their Etherscan, 6,215 holders so far, 18 decimal places. 111 billion, 111 million, 111,000, 111 tokens max total supply. Quite an odd number to pick there. So the Echelon Prime Foundation is a Web3 ecosystem advancing the next generation of gaming. Powered by Prime, Echelon fosters innovation and novel game economies through an open-sourced and community-led framework. So what is the Parallel TCG? Well, Parallel is a sci-fi trading card game. So that Parallel has its own separate Twitter, which why both of those are listed on there. They have Echelon, which is the whole ecosystem. And then within the ecosystem, we have Parallel TCG, which is the sci-fi trading card game with an opt-in economy through NFTs and Prime. It is an inaugural game partner of the Echelon ecosystem. When using a deck of NFT cards in Parallel, anyone can earn Prime through gameplay. Parallel TCG is currently in its first phase of early access, closed alpha. So within the ecosystem, they have assets. So assets are NFTs with unique utility in the Echelon ecosystem. Parallel has various assets including Masterpiece, Prime Key, Catalyst Drive, Prime Set, the Core, and other keys. So the Masterpiece here, it says Masterpieces are like a parent to derivative versions of each card. Each MP is a 1-to-1. The total supply of MPs is 258. The benefits are the following. So rewards the owner, royalties, distribution of Prime through caching until July 18th, 2023. Receive 1 free mint for Parallel base set release like comics, packs, etc. And lastly, receive a portion of Prime captured when its derivative card is replicated through lineage. So it goes over what Prime keys are. Originally gifted to early supporters, allows governance, different stuff for that. Then they have the Catalyst Drive. They have a total supply of 150. They have benefits for those as well. They have the Prime Drive, max supply of 150 of those as well. The Prime Set, you can check those out. Then they have the Core and other keys as well. So all these you could find on their document section. It goes through all their different assets. Now the Prime token. Prime is the native asset of Echelon and Echelon game partners. It was originally distributed through Prime events and caching. Soon players will be able to earn Prime through gameplay. Holders can use Prime in many ways within Echelon ecosystem through Prime Syncs. The total supply of Prime, we already went over that. It's allocated like this. So 30% of the tokens go to the gameplay pool. 16.24% of the tokens go to investors. 15.06% of the tokens go to founding team, 14.1% caching, 10.99% Echelon Foundation reserves, 9% Prime events, and lastly 4.6% of the tokens go to Parallel Studio reserves. Now there's different Prime events, and they actually have them listed on here. A lot of them are done already, so it started in February 2022, it goes over to February 2023, so those are all done, so don't worry about those. Those are just talking about distribution of different Prime to collectors and parallel cards and stuff like that. So then they have a gameplay section. So Prime is distributed to players who win games. The amount of Prime is determined by various factors, like base rate, the standard payout for winning a game, ladder rank, higher ranked players earn more Prime, key modifiers, some keys affect Prime earnings, and lastly 4% of NFTs and non-NFT cards in deck. See pictures below, and they have pictures on their webpage there. They also talk about governance on here for Prime holders. I keep saying Prime, and obviously, you know, that is a Logan Paul energy drink, so I just keep thinking about that every time I say Prime. But anyways, check this token out. Just got listed on Mexc Global. Check out the Mexc Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the Prime token and Echelon? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.